welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be money I found cleaning up my room. Guys, please don't mind my candle. My candle was acting up this time around. I don't know why it started popping. The wicks were like, it was crazy. But this is strawberry pound cake from Bath and Body Works. It smells really, really, really good. So I just wanted to give some mood to the room for myself, right? Because lately I've been a little off. But let's get right into this video. So I was cleaning my wallet that you guys seen. I should have gotten it to show you, but I don't even know where I placed it at, right? And these were the wallets. I mean, this was in the wallet. So the other day I'm looking and I'm like, let me just go into this wallet just to see. If you hear that noise, they're doing construction outside. And to be honest with you, I feel like they make all that noise for nothing because it still looks the same when I walk by. But so I am cleaning out the wallet, and the wallet has these envelopes. It had other envelopes in it, but those envelopes were empty. For some reason, I transferred that money over into the minis that I am using now. So MTA had money in it. And it had 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $17 in MTA. Could you guys believe that? $17. And I had to buy a MetroCard the other day, and I paid $33. And then Pet, I have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. I have $30 in Pet. I was like, what in the world is going on here? So what I'm going to be doing with this money, for Pet, I am going to give $15 to my mini envelope. Matter of fact, I have it right here. So for Pet, because I have to buy him some food and he's running low on his food. So this is his envelope here. So I'm going to add $15, which he has $15 already. I'm just going to add another 15, and it makes it 30. 10, 20, 25, 30. Let me see. Yep. It makes it 30. And there go my mini envelope right there. So I'm going to put that in there. And then the extra $15, I am going to put it into his emergency fund, because I have to take my dog back to the doctors, because unfortunately my baby's ear, his other ear, is bleeding. Don't know what's going on, but I'm just hoping that I catch a break. So this here is 127, and I'm just gonna put deposit here, and I'm gonna put 15. So now I have 115, because I know that is going to cost me. So I should have 115 here. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 115. So that is going to help me out a lot when I take him to the doctors. So that's that. So this envelope now has nothing. Then for MTA, I am going to place that into, which I don't think I made. Did I make an MTA envelope? No, I didn't. Okay, I didn't make an MTA, which I should make an MTA mini, even though I do have $33 already for next week's, well, this week's MetroCard. So I'm just going to add this into my MTA. So right now I am going to keep it in here until I make me a envelope for that. Because now that I don't have the low income MetroCard, I don't know, they said that I don't qualify. So now I gotta pay $33 now, which a video will be coming up for the people that do live in New York City. I will be making a video. Excuse my nails, I know I have to paint them. But yeah, I'm gonna be coming with a video on that MetroCard because a lot of people may or may not know about it. So that will be coming sometime this week, guys. And I'm hoping by Friday I'll be able to make that video. But I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I was so happy to find that extra cash. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and I'll be seeing everyone in my next video.